How to use a fire extinguisher. In this short video, we'll cover how to properly use a fire extinguisher using the PASS method. Now, it's important to know that if a fire does occur in your workplace, that you follow these three important steps. Step 1. Once you've seen the fire, first grab the closest fire extinguisher, ensuring it's the correct type and class appropriate to extinguish the fire. And always make sure to keep your back to a clear exit. If you do not think that you can put out the fire safely, make sure to evacuate the building. Step 2. Once you have your fire extinguisher, stand 6 to 8 feet away from the fire. Step 3. Follow the PASS 4-step procedure. First is P for pull. Pulling the pin unlocks the operating lever and allows you to discharge the extinguisher. Next is A, is for aim. Make sure to aim the extinguisher nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. The first S is squeeze. Squeeze the lever that discharges the extinguishing agent. Releasing the lever will stop the discharge. The second S is for sweep. While discharging the extinguisher, start moving towards the fire. Keep the extinguisher aimed at the base of the fire and sweep back and forth until the flames appear to be out. Once the fire has been extinguished, make sure to watch the fire area. If the fire reignites, repeat the process. Always remember that smoke generated from the fire can be harmful and even fatal. Never attempt to extinguish a fire unless it is safe to do so. Now to recap the PASS 4-step procedure, P is for pull the pin, A is for aim the nozzle, the first S is to squeeze the lever, and the second S is for sweep. The data plate is a visual record of its shelf life. It contains critical information about regular inspections performed by a professional with a fire extinguisher inspection certification. The pressure gauge shows the current pressure of the fire extinguisher and that it hasn't been used or damaged and is within the proper PSI range for that particular fire extinguisher. The operating level. The lever is the metal piece that can be pressed or squeezed to operate the extinguisher. However, the operating lever will not be able to be pressed or squeezed unless the pull pin has been removed. The purpose of a safety pin is to prevent the accidental activation of a fire extinguisher. The discharge hose is the hose that allows the extinguishing agent to travel from the tank to the base of the fire and enables the user to aim the flow of the agent. Discharge nozzle. The nozzle is the hose conical end, out of which the extinguishing agent disperses. The nozzle holders is their help to secure the extinguisher hose in place and protect the discharge nozzle when not in use. The carrying handle is used for easy grasping, lifting, and carrying of the extinguisher. The CO2 cartridge furnish the pressure to expel the dry chemical agent. Most of these cartridges are charged with liquid carbon dioxide, but some nitrogen cartridges are used in extreme low temperature environments. The function of siphon tube or dip tube is to deliver liquid carbon dioxide outside the bottle.